Yo, yo, how are we doing? Good morning. Let's see, go live, good morning. There we go. And then let me tweet this, and then let me actually turn off the heat because it's hot in here, which is a shocker. Live. Tweet that. Good morning, everybody. Come on. Send. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. Let me turn off this heat real quick. Hold on. We are good. Cool. All right. So, good old Maryland. Nah, it's just hot in here because I had the heat on all night. Didn't turn it off. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everyone's having an amazing morning. Let me tell you, we caught a banger yesterday on SPY. Absolute banger. Team Bull printed. We all printed. This trade was absolutely beautiful. If you guys watched Jadon's video last night, we went over what I was seeing to get into this trade. But honestly, the trade was pretty straightforward. If we look at the 5-minute on SPY, come on. There we go. Look at the 5-minute on SPY. It kind of looked bearish. Now, in hindsight, looking at the price action, like now we could say, oh, this looks bullish. But when it was actually happening, it honestly looked like SPY wanted to drop. I know people were taking puts to the downside, so some people were thinking that SPY was going to go lower. But remember, when we compare SPY and SPX, what was SPX doing when SPY was doing that? SPX was bull flagging. What do you mean there's no audio? Turn up your audio. But SPX was bull flagging. What do we know about bull flags? Continuation pattern. So we ended up getting long on SPY at 10:10. So if we pull up the 10:10 candle, 1 minute time frame, 10:10 is right here. We pretty much caught the exact bottom on SPY. And this thing just nuked, and I sold once we started pushing up towards like 415.4. Here. Turn up your audio. Anyway, so if you guys could, this was a disgusting trade. I know a whole bunch of people printed with me. But if you guys could real quick, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 209 people in here, 66 likes. Remember, 200 likes, you guys get the watch list. Good morning. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's make this watch list today, and let's find hopefully some more bangers. So we do have non-farm payrolls that is going to be dropping at 10. Or, oh my God, not 10. 8:30, I believe. Hold on, let me pull it up. Yes, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, and labor force participation 25 to 54. That's at 8:30. Here, let me pull this over. That's at 8:30, and then 9:45 PMI. That's going to be important. 10 o'clock ISM, and then to end the day, 2:30 we have a Fed speaker, which I'm personally not going to pay attention to. So, yeah, let's see what we can find on ES. And so that 4,200 level that we discussed yesterday on ES, we did not close above it. So that could lead to a pullback. Remember why this area was important. We take this pivot high to pivot low right here. And hold on, let me get live for the people on TikTok. We cannot forget about them. Hold on. Even though I look like a disaster right now, you know what? I'm gonna do it for the people on TikTok. Even though I don't even post on there anymore. The last video I posted on there was January 14th. Live, making a watch list. Beautiful. Good morning. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning so far. All right, let's find these levels, and everybody should be good on TikTok. Cool. Nice. 2 green trades yesterday. Good. Okay, so remember, again, like I was saying, 4,200. It's important. Pivot high, pivot low. 61.8 right here. If we're going to continue to be bullish and have a possibility to getting up towards this 43.29 area or like 43.30, we need a daily close above 4,200. So that's going to be very important. If we do push today, I'm looking for the break over 4208.5. And then as far as pullbacks go, pretty much only here to here is what I have. So like 4128.5 and 4109.75 would be my bounces today. As far as a reject, let's see. Pivot high, pivot low. Maybe like 4185.66. So like 4185.75 on ES. I would watch that. We do, it looks like we have a no, it already hit it, never mind. Yeah, so I mean that's pretty much what I'm watching on ES. Break below 41.52. We could see these bounces down here. I don't think we have any other good bounces on watch today. Wait for ThinkorSwim to load this. There we go. Yeah, so maybe like a deeper pullback we could take here to here. And then we do have confluence at this 4109 and 4108, so that would be a higher probability bounce. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I'm watching on ES today. We're going to wait 3 minutes to put this out to everybody in Team Bull, just because, again, we have non-farm payrolls dropping. So we're going to wait for that. The 5 minute. We do have like intraday, or not like intraday, but overnight resistance right here at like this 41.73 area. We keep failing to close above it. Let's see. Cool. And again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button in the YouTube live stream. 304 people in here and 124 likes. Remember, 200 likes and you guys get the watch list. Let me pull up Twitter, get ready for the news. But yeah, let me know how you all did yesterday. Make money, lose money, take no trades, learn lessons. Let me know in the chat. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. But yeah, right now, we're just going to wait for the non-farm payrolls. There's no point of doing any more analysis until we get that. So patiently wait. Also, everybody on the TikTok, because we have 219 people in here. I go live on my YouTube channel every single morning at 8:20 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a watch list for free. I know you guys can't really see the screen right here, but if you head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, you can see it much better where I am sharing my screen right now. We tried the 50% fib too. We caught a nice little trade out of it, but ultimately I got out right above break even on the rest because it looked like it was going to pull. So it happens. 1,200% on QQQ. That's crazy. Hopefully you're doing better though. 990% on the week. Still reading my book. Hey, I appreciate you getting the book. Learn and learn. 325%. Dang, you guys are banging out 100% trades like it's nothing. You got the book 2 days ago. Let's go. Let's see, we got 1 minute. And while we're sitting here waiting for these non-farm payrolls to drop, in case you guys did not know, I'm pretty sure my book is still 20% off on Amazon. Yes, it is. So 20% off on Amazon right now. My 450-page trading book goes over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, how to find bounces, rejects, support and resistance, price targets, all the indicators I use, etc. So if you guys do want to check that out, there's the link right there. And we got 15 seconds until non-farm payrolls. Everybody in the TikTok, that is my book right there. Make sure you guys check it out. The New Age Technical Analysis. Cool. All right. 3 seconds. Tweeter. Dang. That's a big red. Let's see what ends up happening. It's moving super weird. Non-farm payrolls 517,000. Forecast 188,000. Jeez. Wow. That's crazy. Sheesh. All right, let's see. Let's see how the market reacts to that, because that is way over the forecast than the previous. I don't know. You have to ask Amazon in Canada. But yeah, 517,000. Let me show you guys. So this is who I use to get my news, financial juice, very quick. But yeah, non-farm payrolls 517,000, forecast 188,000, manufacturing payrolls 19,000, forecast 7,000, private payrolls 443,000, forecast 190,000. Let's see. I don't care about that. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Unemployment rate 3.4%, forecast 3.6, labor force participation 62.4, forecast 62.3. Crazy. Crazy. Honestly, I don't think that's good for the market. But we're gonna just have to wait and see how we trade in this range. We'll give it another minute or two, and then we'll start getting the levels. Come on, computer. There we go. So if we start getting above 41.59.50 and holding on ES, then we have a good chance of getting back up here. But this reject, as of right now, is not valid. We would have to sell off more. Again, for the people in the YouTube live stream, 375 people in here, 193 likes. You guys need 7 more likes if you want the watch list. Make sure to run it up. Instagram is the best way to get in touch with me. Instagram or Twitter. Let's see what we do. Are we gonna crack it? Yeah, we're gonna get the SPY here in a minute. Is he gonna deny that 61.8? Already done dropped almost 5 points from it. You trade futures, that's 250. 250 profit. 7 points. 350. Fib rule is just banging left and right. Come on now. Left and right. What is that? 13 points to the downside. 13 points times 50. Whatever that is. What is that? 650. That could be 650 profit if you did that. My only Instagram is at Carhorns, CARWHORNS, no underscores, no dots, no numbers, nothing. Only Carhorns. Cool. So let's start getting this out to everybody. Let's start speaking about what I'm seeing. Why is my ThinkorSwim so slow? It depends on how we react to the 50% fib. The higher probability area is the 61.8. It's like my highest probability area. Let's see, we get above 41.74. There's a good chance we go to 4,200. Break below 41.38.42. Good chance we go down and see our bounce. Beautiful. Overnight support. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. All right. Yes. 4,200 was a major area of resistance, and we failed to close higher yesterday. You guys got to see the fib roll play out live. Look at that. 4,200 was a major area of resistance, and we failed to close higher yesterday. Could lead to a pullback. If price breaks below 4138.5, I am looking for shorts. Potential bounce at 4128.5. Then higher probability bounces will be at 4109.75 to 4108. Below there, we can see 4084.25. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. All right, so there's ES for everybody in Team Bull. Oh, wait. I got to add upside, too. If we can break above 4159.36, we can test the overnight highs at 4174.5, then 4200. Beautiful. Cool. Then again, real quick, before we start getting into SPY, my book right now, 20% off. So if you guys do want to learn more about my day trading and swing trading strategy, all the indicators I use, support and resistance, bounces, rejects, you name it, it's probably in the book. Make sure to check it out using that link right there. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed. Almost 1,000 videos on this channel, and I go live every single morning, giving you guys a completely free watch list. Man, I should have went short on the futures on that. But had a fat payday already. Anyways, all right, let's head on over to SPY. What we got going on over here? Yeah, so main area for bounce, these two areas right there, 410.33, 408.50. Get above 415.08, or actually like 415, what is that? Yeah, like above 415, we could go and test yesterday's high. Do you have your notifications on? Pivot low, pivot high, break above 450, or yeah, 415, test yesterday's high, then 420. Reject, if this were to be the bottom, I have a reject up at like 415.71. Cool. That's pretty much it for SPY today. SPY. Bounces are at 410.33 and 408.5. Higher probability. If price breaks 415, I will look too long. Possible reject at 415.71. Above there, we should see yesterday's high, then 420. If price looks weak, I will look for puts. Cool. There's SPY. And then let's take a look at QQQ. Man, my computer is super slow today. Better hurry up. All right. Delete all that. Go to this chart right here. So we got a few different areas we can use for bounces. We have this low to this high, this low to this high. Again, confluence right there at that 300.59 to like 300.9. So if we pull back to there, I'd be really interested. Pretty sure we already hit these. Yes, we already hit both of them. So that one's not valid. Wait, those are already on 314. Cool. So really, if we break 305.28, good chance we see these bounces down here. Of course, we misprinted in the pre-market, so I don't know where the actual pre-market high is on QQQ. But if this is the low, we do have a reject at like 310.67. Boom. So let's break the low. 314 is a big level. QQQ. Could you put the time frame on the trades? What do you mean? If price breaks below 305.28, I will be looking for puts. Possible bounces will be around 303.15. If we break lower, I will be looking for a higher probability bounce at 300.92, 300.6. After that, 300, because we haven't tested it yet since we broke. Let's see, we broke right here. Where's 300? Right there, 300. Yeah, so we haven't tested it yet. So if we start breaking down towards that level, I like that hold like 301 to 300 for a possible bounce. After that, 300, below there, we really could start flushing. So we need to hold 300 in order for QQQ to be strong. But I do have some other bounces that I will be watching. Now, if we pump, we could test yesterday's high at 314, and then above there 315, and then let's see, we broke above that 61.8, 331. Oh, so that was that 50% fib yesterday. We didn't close above it. Okay, so 313 was a really big level yesterday, and we could not hold. Okay, we could really pull back then. That's a pretty big level for QQQ. All right, let's get that to everybody. 313 was a major level on the daily time frame. Price failed to close above it. If bulls are going to show a presence, we need a daily close above that level. Boom, there's QQQ. Now let's find some individual stocks. Let's see, watch list. All right, Baba, daily squeeze, Netflix, 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze, PayPal, 30-minute squeeze, and what is this? Shopify, 30-minute squeeze. Let's see what we like today. Let's start with Apple. Actually recovered most of its losses. But honestly, Apple, not too interested in this. So we're going to skip that. AMD actually looks pretty good. If AMD could get above 89, I'd be interested, but we're all the way down to 86.72. So we would really need a pump to get up there. We'll take a look at NVIDIA instead. Let's see. NVIDIA. $215.64. Yeah, I would say if we can get above 215.64, there's a good likelihood that NVIDIA could push into yesterday's high. We're sitting at where I would have watched for a bounce. So we're going to keep this on the side for now, but I do like that. Let's see, NVIDIA. We looked at AMD, like NVIDIA more. Amazon. Boeing. Squeeze is going to fire down now. Baba, you said Baba has an orange shot squeeze on the daily? Oh, Boeing has one on the daily. Yes, indeed it does. Where are we dropping to? Honestly, if we could continue to hold the daily 21 EMA on Boeing, I'd actually be pretty interested in a swing to the upside. So that's something I'm going to watch today. I'm going to put it on my swing list right now. Boeing. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to watch that. And then we have Google. Don't really care about Google. Take a look at Meta. Meta's still holding up nice. I don't want to try to trade Meta all the way up here. Oh no, I'm gonna skip Meta probably for the next few days. Microsoft broke above its, I think this is a weekly channel. Yes. So Microsoft is trying to break its weekly little trend channel that it has right here. Nice weekly squeeze. If we could get a weekly close above this level, there's a good chance we could continue to push. And I honestly would actually be interested in some swings if we did that. So we are going to put this on the swing list today. Microsoft. Beautiful. Cool. So yes, keep this one on your radar. Maybe look at like a 265, 270 debit spread. Netflix, 1 hour squeeze, not interested in. Then we looked at NVIDIA, I do like that. Tesla, that's the only other thing, Tesla. Tesla's pulling. If I were to trade new lows on SPY, cool. If I were to trade Tesla, I'd look for a bounce of like 179.75 or 175.75. So I like those two areas. We'll put Tesla on the list. It's just a TTM squeeze. Tesla. Cool. So Tesla and NVIDIA, those are the ones that I like. Tesla. Let's see. Interested in bounces at 179.75 and 175.75. Very straightforward. Break above whatever the pre-market high is, 191.81. Look to take it back up into yesterday's high. 175.75. If we break above 191.81, I will be looking for calls to take the price back up into yesterday's high at 196.75. Then 200 would be the only psychological level that we could go. We'll take a look at Dixie here in a second. 200. And then NVIDIA, we're going to wait on that one. Let's take a look at Dixie real quick. Oh, yeah. Dixie did not like that. And we reclaimed the level. Reclaim the 50% fib. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's no bueno. Not good, not good. We'll see. Dixie's being a little confusing. Let's look at that monthly 21 EMA. Yeah, so we're still holding the monthly 21 EMA. Interesting. I'll have to do more analysis on Dixie tomorrow. Let's try this. Yeah, so maybe if we break above there, that's gonna be pretty big. Keep your eye on this. Yes, beautiful. So before I drop the watch list, again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning at 8:20 a.m. Eastern time to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. And I almost have 1,000 videos on my channel teaching you on how to trade for completely free. Hold on. There we go. Completely free. And then, before I drop the watch list, one more thing. In case you guys did not know, my trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is 20% off right now for a very limited time. So if you guys do want to check that out, learn more about my day trading and swing trading strategy, how to find price targets, support and resistance, rejects, bounces, you name it, it's more than likely in there. Make sure to check it out. Again, The New Age of Technical Analysis on Amazon. So here is the watch list for the day. Thank you. Okay, so I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Boom. I'm not bullish or bearish. Watching both ways, got bounces, got rejects, and when we touch the level and price gives me what I want, I will take the trade. Oh, this QQQ is a long one. Boom. 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 There we go. Awesome. That is everything I'm watching for the day. Whoops. So I guess I'll hang out for a few more minutes, answer any questions you guys got. But again, you guys saw the fib rule play out live. That is exactly what I look for in every single trade. Every single trade. I like to see us hit a level, which we did right here, pierce through it, and then reclaim the opposite side. And then your stop loss, a few points right above there. And then we dropped in total around 20, what is that? 24 points? Yeah, 24 points to the downside. So everybody on the TikTok, I will see you guys next week. Everybody in the YouTube, I'm gonna hang out here for a few more minutes, answer any questions you guys got. Boom. What questions we got? We ready to print today or what? Yes, sir. Catch you guys in Team Bull. I guess nobody's got questions. Of course. 418 on SPY. I don't want to say that there's no chance because anything could happen. Yeah, anything could happen, but I would say the probabilities are pretty low. The psychology behind, so it's weird with news. So these non-farm payrolls, they were excellent numbers, which the market doesn't like because it leads, I think it's like leaning to more tapering. Again, I'm not a complete expert on that. That's just kind of what I've gathered from this. The way that I look at news is I just look at the numbers and see how the market reacts. That's pretty much it. Yep. Yeah. Dixie's pumping right now. Typically, we'll get a misprint on SPY or QQQ at 8 in the morning. So if it's like a really long wick up or down and it's at 8 o'clock, it's a misprint. Sometimes even 8:15, but it depends if there's news. There you go. Somebody's gonna. Yeah, I'm sure people can explain it better than me. No, honestly, I hardly even look at volume. Level 2 is like the main thing. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I looked to only trade it the first time. Yesterday, it hit the 61.8 a lot more. I think it was like 3 or 4 times before I entered. But that was just because we were looking so bullish at the level. That's why I wanted to try it. But typically, it's like the first touch that I'll trade. Hey, you're getting the book today. Let's go. I mean, $100. Just focus on one good trade and consistency. It's my biggest suggestion. Very tight stops. No, I don't enter trades solely based off one candlestick. I want to see multiple candlesticks hinting at the same thing. Speed of the tape, I want to see either the buyers or sellers showing their presence. So like if we're reclaiming the 61.8 to the upside for a bounce, I want to see us break below, and I want to see the buyers come in and drive price up. And you can visually see it in the level 2. And then I don't use RSI. You got the book yesterday. Let's go. All right, well, I'm going to get ready to hop off for the day. We're going to run it up in Team Bull. So if you guys are in there, I'll talk to you guys in like 5-10 minutes. Other than that, hopefully everybody prints. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will talk to everybody on